So we're gonna continue on with multiplying fractions, but this time we're gonna make it a little more complex. We're multiplying mixed number fractions. So your learning target today is I know how to multiply mixed number fractions. And the key concept here is not much different than what we've been doing. It's when multiplying fractions with mixed numbers, first change the mixed number to an improper fraction, and then multiply. So not a whole lot of a difference as far as that goes. Multiply fractions, or change the mixed number to an improper fraction, then multiply. So let's do this first example here. We have find 2 and 4/9 times 3 and 1/4. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change this number right here to an improper fraction. So 9 times 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22, so 22/9. I'm going to multiply that by 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13/4. And remember, that's how you change a mixed number fraction to an improper fraction, is you multiply the whole number by the denominator and add it to the numerator and put that over the same denominator. Okay, so 9 times 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22 over 9, 22/9 then. So now we have 22/9 times 13/4. And before I go and I try to multiply 22 times 13, because that's a ridiculous number to try and multiply, I'm going to cross cancel here. I know 2 goes into 22 11 times and 4 twice. That makes it a little bit easier, still kind of difficult. I'm going to take 13 11. If I don't know how to multiply 13 times 11 on the top of my head, I can go over here on the side and do 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. Put my 0 down, 3 and 1, and then add them together and I get 143. So that's 143, and 9 times 2 is 18. So 143 over 18. And you know what? I'm not sure exactly if 3 will go into 143, but let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to divide 143 by 3, and we get 4 here to be 12, minus out we get 2, 23, and we know that 3 isn't going to go into 23. So I think this is actually 143 over 18. I think that is completely simplified. So we can box that answer right there and say, yay for us, we've found the answer. Okay, example 2 is a word problem. Humans sleep about 1/3 of each day. Let each year equal 365 and 1/4 days. Determine the number of days in a year the average human sleeps. Okay, the number of days in a year is 365 and 1/4, and actually that's somewhat true. That's why we have a leap year, is to add that. So first thing we have to do is we have to multiply 1/3 by this number right here, and we're going to change this to an improper fraction by doing 4 times 365 plus 1. So 365, because that's a huge number. I'm not sure what that is. It's 20, 24, 26, and that's 12 and 14. So 1460 plus 1 is 1465, 1461. That is a big number, over 4. Okay, and then it's just simply solving right here, and we get 1461 over 12. Gosh, and the only number really that 1461 could go into is 3, so let's just check that out real quick. Again, we have 3 here, that goes in 4 times. Subtract out, we get 26 left over. And we know that 8 times 26 is 24. Goes in 2, 1, 3 times 7 goes in perfectly to 21. Subtract out, we get 0 left over. So if we divide all these by 3, we're going to have 4 in the bottom and 487 in the top. And that is simplified because we know that 2 won't go into 487. Cool. That makes me happy. Very happy. We got double smileys today. Woohoo!